If you followed me at all, you know that I love these things. This is a Honda QA50 and this is a 1974 model, so it makes it a K2. Obviously this one has definitely seen better days. I would class this really as a parts bike. Obviously it can be restored if you can get hold of the parts that you're going to need to restore it, the tank being the main one. There's a piece missing on the exhaust, etc, etc, and obviously the mud guards or the fenders aren't correct for it, not the correct colour or anything like that. I mean, I wasn't expecting it. The engine turns over. All the electrics aren't there though, so there's no spark. There's a wire coming out from the points here. The side cover and the actual engine casings look pretty good really, but like I say, no spark because there's no electrics, and I'm not sure. I don't think it's selecting its gears. There's no chain on it. It's a semi-automatic box, so there's no clutch. So it's difficult to tell really whether it is selecting or not. I don't think it is, to be honest. So the engine's going to need at least a rebuild, maybe some gear components. All available though, so shouldn't be too hard to do, and it's a nice simple engine, nice simple gearbox design and everything like that. So anyway, there we go. We'll do a little close-up video of it, get some pictures of it, and then I'll probably offer this out to a couple of people that I know that are into these things first, and then I'll be sticking it up on eBay if they're not mega keen. I don't know why they wouldn't be though. It's a very iconic and cool thing. It certainly is when it's done, and if they've got one and they need parts, then be a great source of parts. So yeah, we'll just do a bit of a close-up and then get her up for sale. Okay, so the seat covers completely shot and the seat detaches from the seat base. Seat base is not rusted through, so that could definitely be used again. Just a good thing. The seat cover just hooks on underneath onto these little hooks. It unbolts. There's two bolts that go through and bolts from there. Engine casings, like I say, you're in good nick. There's a little silencer box which goes on here, missing from the exhaust. The oil fill plug is missing, but like I say, the engine's turning over. It's really free, so so at least it turns over. Do you know what I mean? It's a good sign, really. So it's I know it's a K2 and a 74 because of its serial number. So it's the serial number starts with a 3. We need a new kill switch, start and run switch. I mean, if you're going to do it up, it is going to need everything doing. It's not just a case of doing a little bit of work to it and it'll be fine. It needs a full restore, but they are beautiful when they're done. I'll try and attach a picture of one that I've got here. That one's a K0 though, so it's slightly different. It's not massively different though, there weren't a huge amount of changes. The frame looks to be in good condition, the forks look to be in good condition, the wheels, the front drum, the front hub looks to be in good condition. The brake plates just needs to be located, and there's a little locator on the fork there. All the serial numbers are intact on the engine and the frame. Like I say, it would restore up as long as you can find the parts. Little airbox missing there. But yeah, cool things anyway. Very cool. I'll get some pictures and then I'll throw it up for sale to a couple of people. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.